So you want your hair to go from this length right here to this length right here. Big difference. Now, let's just say you're growing your hair out and you're starting from this. There's a number of things that you have to take into consideration. The first thing is you have to be patient. Being patient is probably the #1 key that you can do and have patience to grow your hair. Everybody wants to have their hair from here to here in a week. Don't be fooled, don't be brainwashed by non-professionals telling you it's possible. Hair grows 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch a month. I'm a professional hairstylist, that's the deal, okay? Now, if you want to grow your hair longer, let's just say even getting to this point, you have a short haircut and you want to get it even this long, grow it out until it's much longer than you want, because chances are, and unfortunately this could happen, where you go in and you get a haircut and they actually butcher your hair. The last thing you want, and let me know in the comments below, if you've been growing your hair and you go in and you're like, oh, my hair is actually a little bit longer than I want it, I want to trim, and they hack your hair, let me know in the comments below. What happened? What did you do? You have to overgrow it, in my suggestion. And then when you go in to get your hair cut, you need to tell them, I am actually trying to keep my hair as long as possible, almost over-exaggerate it. I love the length, I just want to skim the ends, because what's gonna happen is if you put that hair professional in that mindset of, if they do something wrong, they're gonna have a panic attack, well, and that happens very often, they're not gonna cut it too short, because they don't wanna freak you out, they don't wanna, so you're better off saying, I love where the length is, I'm actually trying to grow it even longer, just skim the ends. You'll probably end up getting the perfect haircut. But if sometimes you tell them, oh, I've been growing it out, it's getting a little long, give it a good shape up and clean it up and, trim it up, they may think that you're saying to them, your hair looks awful right now and you want a lot of hair off to make it look a lot neater. So be careful with what you say. You can also show photographs and be like, this is the haircut I'm trying to go for. And that's where, if you say to them or show them a photograph of a mannequin or a celebrity or somebody whose hair is down to here, and your hair is here, then you have to tell them, like, look, I'm trying to grow my hair. And you probably don't even need to be or shouldn't be in a hair salon or a barbershop if you're trying to grow your hair this long. So you want to grow your hair longer, you want to get it to this length. It could take you a year. It could take you like a year and a half, depending on where your hair is. But if your hair is here to start, and you want your hair all the way to like your shoulders, like I said, hair grows 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch a month. That could take like almost 2 years, to be honest with you, 1.5 years, 2 years, just to get it all the way down through here. To grow your hair out, also, you need to make sure you are maintaining it properly using the right shampoo and conditioner. I have amazing shampoos and conditioners. Like, I would say my hemp set is really great, especially if you have dry scalp, you have any sort of scalp issues, your hair's a bit on the drier side, my hemp set is literally phenomenal. If you are worried about hair loss and you want to maintain and grow thicker hair, then my pure set is the way to go. If you are looking for just strictly volume, then my volume set. Now keep in mind, my shampoos and conditioners make your hair feel like incredibly healthy. I'm telling you this as a professional who's washed thousands and thousands of clients over the years at the sink, washing their hair, shampooing. My stuff feels incredible. There's a lot of amazing brands out there where you wash your hair, and I've used them, really big name brands, and your hair feels like straw. I'm like, wait, how is this supposed to be good? My hair feels awful. That's what happens. Make sure you maintain it properly. I would then suggest using my 25 spray, 25 benefits in one spray. Spray it in and make sure you're combing out the knots and keeping your hair healthy. You want to keep it healthy as it's growing out. And then how often should you get a trim? Well, depending on how long you want your hair to be really depends on you, but I would say the more you let your hair grow without trimming the ends or cleaning the dead ends, it's gonna look very frail, very thin, like this, wispy. It's not gonna look very, very healthy. It may look longer to you, but it's not gonna look healthy. So I would suggest maybe every 6 months or so, go in and just skim the ends. And once again, explain to the professional, I'm trying to grow my hair out. Do not over trim it. Don't take more than 1/2 inch off. Just literally skim the ends. And I would also go into a hairstylist for stuff like this. Just find a good professional, someone who knows hair, someone who can work with you, and your hair should grow at a really good pace to where you have the length that you want. If you want to purchase any of my products, I have a special discount code for you. It's YouTube20, 20% off my products at shop.thesalonguy.com. YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.